If you're going to be in chemistry this year, there's one word you're going to hear a lot: moles. But what are they? No, seriously, what are moles? Well, think of an atom, like that, but smaller. Well, moles are just a cluster of atoms. A cluster of a lot of atoms. And I do mean a lot. In fact, there are 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atoms in a mole. That's a lot. But at its core, moles are just a unit of measurement for an amount of atoms, just like how meters are a unit of measurement for distance. But back to that number, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. Why that number? Like, that's such a specific number. Well, as it turns out, that amount of protons or neutrons is roughly equal to 1 gram. And so, 1 mole of a proton or neutron is equal to 1 gram, in the sense that 100 centimeters is just 1 meter. But why are we using moles? Well, in chemistry, reactants for reactions are measured in moles and not mass. So, for example, the amount of atoms in 1 gram of iron is different than the amount of atoms in 1 gram of copper. Take the periodic table. When you look at it, other than the numbers that go increasing by ones, you may notice a different number, one that's usually reduced down to 2 decimal places or sometimes 3. Well, this number is known as the atomic mass, or also known as how many grams a mole of this would weigh. This is most commonly used to find the amount of moles of a reactant in a reaction. So, there you have it. What moles mean in chemistry.